Are you cute? Yeah, you are cute. Cheese. Say hi. You want that one?
Yeah, Mom. I want you want that one. Mama! Mom, pick up one.
You're goofy.
Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome here if you're new. It is now almost 8 o'clock in the morning, so we just put in some cinnamon rolls. As you can tell, the kids are out playing right now, waiting on those to finish up, and they're dressing up, as you can tell too, so they're having a blast this morning already. I'm still trying to get woke up. Got my coffee, so let's get busy. Y'all. Okay, so I told the kids that after they ate their breakfast, then they could have the play kitchen and they could have the play food along with it, and I would bring it in there for them to play with and this and that, which they always have it, you know, no big deal. I came and got the kitchen. It was like 2 minutes that I got it out, and I go back in there, and Rylan had gotten the grapes off of someone else's plate because he doesn't eat grapes. And he took them, put them in little rows on the floor, and then went through with his shoes on and smashed them. All of them over the floor. So I just finished cleaning that up, and they're playing with the play kitchen now. All is well. But my goodness, it's already been such a busy morning. They did eat pretty decent, other than those leftover grapes. But I'm just gonna make these beds up. This is usually my time to get a little bit of cleaning done, so we're gonna do that now, and then we'll see where the day takes us from here. So I did manage to change, and I think this is the typical outfit of the week, you know, right now for everyone. It's just some comfortable clothes. So I'm also gonna put the kids in some comfortable clothes. I usually get all of their clothes out whenever I finish making up their rooms, so that'll happen in just a minute, and then during the snack time and everything is when I will go through one by one while they're snacking, and I'll change them and whatnot, because I don't change them until after breakfast. They're usually a mess after breakfast, so are now done. As you guys saw, it's almost snack time, I believe, so we're gonna give it a few minutes and then we'll start snack time. And I have the kids' clothes right here. We'll get them changed for the day and carry on. So I hope you guys are enjoying this. Don't forget to subscribe below for more day in the lives and lots of cleaning videos, and give it a thumbs up for me so that I know that you guys are actually liking these. So let's go to snack time. While the kiddos had their snacks and were sitting down and eating, I decided to take a few minutes and put these clothes away. The blankets that you guys are seeing on top of their dresser in a huge pile right there are some baby blankets that they had when they were younger. I went through a lot of them and I've decided to put some in storage and then give others to some other people with babies that will put them to use right away. As you guys can tell, I just cleaned their room earlier and they've played back here since then, and they already have like toys everywhere, even some of little Sissy's toys. So we'll get these cleaned up before nap time soon. Okay y'all, so it's been about 3 or 4 hours since I updated you on what's going on in our day. So we got through snack time and then I changed the kids. They wanted a couple snacks like always, but I made them an early lunch so that they could have that before they go take a nap, except Peyton. I mean, he doesn't take naps anymore. So he is currently playing with some Play-Doh until they get up. And they'll probably get up within 30 minutes or so because it is 1 or 2 o'clock. So I'm going to start prepping dinner. Tonight we're going to have lemon pepper chicken with some mac and cheese and probably some green beans. So the kids really like that meal. And let me know down below if you have any links or any recipes that you would like to share of some chicken meals, some chicken dinners, because our family loves chicken dinners and I feel like we're kind of getting burnt out, but we don't really like much else other than steaks, and I don't know, we just need some more meals in this house. I want to change it up. I like changing the recipes quite a bit with dinner, and my husband never minds. The kids like trying new things, so hey, we're all for it. Give me those recipes if you have them. I would really appreciate it, and I might even try them out on a video for you guys, share some more. So if you guys saw my last video, you know we got a new dog. Her name is Bailey. She's gonna be a bigger dog and we plan on keeping her inside with us. We've never had a bigger dog that's been inside, so I'm nervous, but I'm excited to see how it's gonna turn out in the future. So we'll see what happens along those lines, but right now, I need to go finish up some dishes and get started on that dinner really soon. So here's his little kitchen he made. He crawls up under a table and that's another door. And then he has his little kitchen right here. With his walls. His pillows. finished our dinner. The kids did eat good, so I'm proud of them for that. I put Rylan in the bath just now. He's going to play a few minutes and I'm going to get him out. And then Bella and Peyton will take a bath after him. And I will turn on a movie whenever all of them are done. And they'll relax until it's bedtime. They'll probably have like one snack before bed because they don't get sleepy enough to actually go to bed until 7:30. So that's their bedtime every night. Sorry, I'm like out of breath because I just put up a ton of laundry that I folded yesterday. And I have to wait until the kids actually go to bed tonight to get the other ones from today that I washed folded, which is mostly what I do like every day because there is no time in the middle of the day for me to literally sit down and do laundry anymore. There's just no time. And if there was time, it's probably the little bit of time that I sit down, which is usually only lasts 10 or 15 minutes. And then one of the kids needs something, you know, need mommy to come. So, which is fine, you know, I'm good with that. Laundry is kind of one of them things that it's kind of like my time. I make it my time. I'll turn music on or a show while they're falling asleep and I'll do the laundry and watch my show or something. So I try to make it me time even though it's not really that fun. But I still have to find time to do the dishes today before they actually go to sleep because they are light sleepers. We're gonna move on. I'm gonna finish up bats and then it's movie night. We usually do watch movies a lot right now during all of this stay at home, quarantine, all this, you know, the same thing I'm sure that you're out there doing most nights now because it's just too hard to get out. And right now it's freezing outside every day because a cold front come in here. And because we're in Tennessee, we're in Benton, Tennessee, so right now it is freezing and we can't go outside and play for, it'll be a week when it's all done. So the kids are gonna be so ready to go out whenever it's warmer again. But anywho, let's get all this done and then I'll see you guys in just a minute. We'll get some stuff finished up for the day and then the kids can rest. So that is actually where I ended up leaving the night at. We just ended up watching the movie together and I just had a wonderful time with the kids this night. And then I just put them to bed later on. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a like if you liked it. And don't forget to subscribe for all of my upcoming videos. And hit that little bell next to it so that YouTube actually notifies you. And I'll see you guys in my next video.